Have you ever wondered what invisible forces could be silently eroding your financial stability right now? In this eye-opening video, we'll unveil the 15 biggest threats to your financial security that you might not even be aware of. Ignoring these could lead to devastating consequences, including one shocking revelation that affects 70% of people without them realizing it. Don't let these hidden dangers catch you off guard. Subscribe now to arm yourself with the knowledge you need to protect your financial future. 1. The sudden income. Cliff. Navigating job loss. Losing a job can feel like falling off a financial cliff. It's not just about losing a paycheck. It's about managing uncertainty and maintaining stability for your entire household. Take the case of John, a marketing executive who lost his job during a company restructure. By having a 6-month emergency fund and actively networking, he managed to land a new position within 3 months, avoiding financial catastrophe. 2. The silent wealth killer. High debt levels. Carrying high levels of debt is like trying to swim with weights tied to your ankles. It drags you down and makes financial progress nearly impossible. Consider Sarah, who accumulated $50,000 in credit card debt. By consolidating her debt and adopting the avalanche method, she managed to become debt-free in 3 years, freeing up $1,500 in monthly payments for savings and investments. 3. The health-wealth connection. Unexpected medical expenses. A sudden illness or accident can quickly transform into a financial nightmare. Take the case of the Thompson family, whose son was diagnosed with a rare condition. Their comprehensive health insurance and health savings account helped them manage the $300,000 in medical bills without bankrupting the family. 4. The economic roller coaster. Surviving recessions. Economic recessions can feel like a cold winter that affects everyone. During the 2008 financial crisis, Mark and Lisa saw their investments plummet and faced potential job losses. By diversifying their income sources and cutting back on non-essential expenses, they weathered the storm and even managed to buy undervalued assets that later appreciated significantly. 5. Digital doppelgangers. The threat of identity theft. Identity theft can happen to anyone, anywhere. Jane, a freelance writer, had her identity stolen while working from a coffee shop. The thief racked up $20,000 in fraudulent charges. By using a VPN and monitoring her credit reports regularly, she caught the fraud early and was able to dispute the charges successfully. 6. Riding the market waves. Managing investment volatility. Market volatility can make your investment portfolio feel like a roller coaster. During the 2020 market crash, experienced investor Robert resisted the urge to panic sell. Instead, he rebalanced his portfolio and even invested more in undervalued stocks. As a result, his portfolio not only recovered, but outperformed the market in the following year. 7. Financial mirages. Avoiding poor investment choices. Poor investment choices can be as damaging as not investing at all. Take the cautionary tale of Alex, who invested his life savings in a friend's startup without proper due diligence. The company failed within a year, wiping out his investment. This experience taught him the importance of thorough research and diversification in investment decisions. 8. Nature's fury. Protecting against natural disasters. Natural disasters can strike without warning, leaving financial devastation in their wake. The Garcia family in Florida learned this the hard way when a hurricane destroyed their uninsured home. After rebuilding, they now maintain comprehensive insurance coverage and a disaster preparedness plan, including a robust emergency fund. 9. The financial reset button. Navigating bankruptcy. Bankruptcy can feel like a financial death sentence, but it doesn't have to be. Rachel, a small business owner, filed for bankruptcy after her company failed. By working with a financial advisor and credit counselor, she was able to rebuild her credit score from 450 to 700 within 3 years, allowing her to start a new, successful business venture. 10. The credit tightrope. Mastering credit management. Poor credit management can haunt you for years. Mike, fresh out of college, maxed out several credit cards and ignored his payments. It took him 5 years of disciplined budgeting and debt repayment to restore his credit score and qualify for a mortgage. Now he uses credit strategically for rewards while paying off the balance in full each month. 11. Love and money, the financial impact of divorce. Divorce can be emotionally and financially devastating. When Tom and Laura divorced after 15 years of marriage, they faced a complex division of assets and debts. By working with a mediator and financial planner, they managed to avoid a costly court battle and created a fair settlement that allowed both to maintain financial stability. 12. The YOLO trap, balancing present enjoyment and future security. The "you only live once" mentality can lead to financial ruin. Emma, a young professional, spent her entire savings on luxury vacations and designer goods. When she lost her job, she had no safety net. This wake-up call led her to create a balanced financial plan that allowed for both enjoyment and saving for the future. 13. The single income tightrope, diversifying your revenue streams. Relying on a single income source is like putting all your eggs in one basket. David, a software engineer, learned this when his company downsized. Having developed a side gig as a coding instructor, he was able to quickly ramp up this secondary income stream, providing crucial financial stability while he searched for a new full-time position. 14. The interest rate roller coaster, navigating changing rates. Interest rate fluctuations can have a significant impact on your finances. When rates spiked, homeowners Jack and Diane saw their adjustable rate mortgage payments increase by $500 per month. This experience taught them the importance of fixed-rate loans and maintaining a buffer in their budget for unexpected increases. 15. The entrepreneurial gamble, preparing for business failure. Starting a business is risky, and failure can be financially devastating. When Linda's first startup failed, she lost her $100,000 investment. However, she had maintained a separate personal emergency fund and kept her day job initially. This safety net allowed her to learn from the experience and successfully launch her second venture 2 years later. These hidden threats can significantly impact your financial security, but with awareness and proper planning, you can protect yourself and even turn some into opportunities. If you're intrigued about achieving a lifestyle of financial freedom, keep watching our previous videos that tackle more ways to get there and uncover the surprising twists and turns along the path to wealth. Ready to take the next step in securing your financial future? Click the link in the description to access our exclusive financial planning resources and start your journey to financial security today.